Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cancel an active subscription on an iPhone with an iOS 26.0. So if you got an active subscription, just go to Settings, select your account, go to Subscriptions, select the active subscription that you want to cancel, and select Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial. Confirm. And this way you can easily cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.